So finally, I got my books. So this is the unboxing video of my first book ever I have written.
See, wow.
So this is the book. So excited, पहली book मेरे लाइफ की. See this. I'm so happy. So happy to see this. Oh my god. Wow. Dr. Swapnil.
Congratulations.
Thank you. For the book. Wait. 15 easy ways of living Hindu life.
Welcome.
This is my ISBN number. Thank you. So please go and buy this book. This is an amazing book written by me. I have put all my effort to write this book. So please, I request all of you to go on Amazon, Notion Press and buy this book and follow the instruction given in this book. That will definitely give you a good positive life. Bye bye.